YouTube, we're back. Yo, how ugly is this shirt right now? I don't care how ugly this is. I'm in the comfortability of my own house. So it's like, whatever. I'm gonna wear whatever. I'll wear pajamas on here if I want to. I don't care. Anyway, today, you guys are in luck. This is the long-awaited... No, let me... This is the long-awaited video that I'm making for you guys. Workout video. I'm helping you guys out. I'm actually giving you tips today. People have been asking me to make this video for a long time, and I don't know what it was, procrastination, but today we're finally making it. And I'm gonna kind of just make it up as I go, so bear with me. I don't have anything written down, so. The very first thing you guys want to know about working out, if you're trying to get back into working out and going to the gym regularly, kind of eating right, stuff like that. Working out, I've been working out for, you guys, okay, let me tell you my background information. I'm a Marine veteran. I went to the Marine Corps for 4 years, so I have that experience in working out, going to boot camps, stuff like that. You know, I was active duty, so I got out 2 years ago. Ever since I got out, I've been working solid, just in the gym. I wouldn't say like crazy in the gym, but just in the gym enough to maintain certain like physical fitness. So the first thing you need to know is, where do you see yourself? What do you want to do with your body? Because you can do different things with your body. You can either gain weight or lose weight. You can gain healthy weight or you can gain bad weight. You don't want to necessarily gain the bad weight. You want to gain weight that's in muscle, not fat. So if you're underweight and you want to get back in the gym and just kind of like look more healthier, look more physique, more slim toned, you know, just those type of things, you need to know what you're eating. So you need to monitor what you're eating too. That's the biggest part. Like, mainly getting back in the gym, you need to get your diet right. So in order to get your diet right, you need to write down things that you're consuming on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, stuff like that. So you need to know that carbs and trans fats and, you know, all those other things, like those are, you know, the fatty cells. So there's a whole science into it. I don't really want to go into it too much because I don't want to give you guys false information and have you sue me for anything. I'm not, you know, a wizard. It means, but I do know a little bit. So diet, what you're eating, how often you're going to the gym, how many, like, how often you're going to the gym, and about what you're eating to maintain whatever you're trying to do, either gain weight or lose weight. So say you want to go to the gym for the first day and you are not good at lifting weights, or you have no experience and you're embarrassed, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go, you think people are staring at you. Not to fear. Hit the treadmill. Treadmill is always a good way to start your workout, and it gets your heart rate up. You want that. So what I usually do is I'll probably usually just get my blood flowing, run a little bit, you know, either on the treadmill or one basketball or something. You can either work out from 5 minutes, 10 minutes, first 30 or an hour, whatever, it doesn't matter, you know, whatever you want to do that. So warm up by running, then you want to get to the actual workout. So certain days of the workouts, you'll mix it up with different parts of your body. You'll mix it up with arms, chest, or like bis and tris or legs, but if you want to do like back and shoulders, those are like two things that you can work on. You don't want to like focus on too many parts of your body, because that's just you end up, you can do that if you want to, but to start off, I wouldn't just hit everything just all in one day. Work on one main muscle group or two main muscle groups, and then just call it a day. And then you can go back the next day. So you want to hit, say you're hitting biceps and triceps. You're doing bicep curls, and you're doing tricep, some like type of tricep pull down, or you're doing like some ropes or something like that. Make sure you have at least 3 sets and 10 reps every single workout. As you go up in time, I also forgot, this is important. This is how you gain muscle. Important tip to write down. As you go up in time, as time passes on and you're getting more comfortable to your workouts that you're doing, you get a nice set, you need to understand that you need to increase the repetitions that you're doing, because that's how you get stronger and that's how your muscles grow. See, like, it's kind of like a chain reaction. You up the reps, you get stronger, you look better, you feel, I don't know, it's just that easy. It's that easy. It's harder work, but better results. Hard work gets good results. That's all it is, really, to it. Diet, that's like a whole nother video. I don't really know perfect meals to make. I know that stay away from white bread, just like all types of just grain. That makes you get heavier, if you didn't know. Doughy, all that good stuff. White bread. Dough. I don't really know any other breads. I don't know. Pizza. Alfredo. I don't fucking know. Anyway, but yeah, if you're the type of person that just likes working out, listen to music, go ahead and just plug your headphones in and just make sure you just have accountability of what you're doing. Make sure you're doing them 10 reps, 3 sets, move to the next exercise. You can do like 3 or 4 exercises, or 5. Go for 5. 5 different exercises, 3 reps, 10 reps, 3 sets, and then that's the day. Boom. Move on to the next day. Try to aim at least like 3 or 4 days out of the week. Yeah, that sounds good. 3 or 4 days out of the week. If you do that, you'll be in shape and you'll look good and you'll feel good. That's it. That's the secret, man. We're doing it for 2 years now. It's kind of hard, but hey, man. At least I'm healthy. Alright, that's the video. Thanks again. No Remorse TV. We out.